Namaskar everyone. I am Desai from your Global Kids. Welcome you to our class. First of all, we pray to the God. Let's start. Om Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvashvah तस्तवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तस्तवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति. Rub your palm, kids. Put on your eyes and open your eyes slowly. Namaskar everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. Now, today we are going to start our revision. First of all, we revise what we did in the last video. In the last video, we learned ascending order. In the last video, we learned ascending order. Okay. क्या सीखा था हमने? Ascending order. Okay. Now tell me how we arrange the numbers in ascending order. Yes, small number to big number in the ascending order. How we arrange the numbers or things? Small to big. So here I give them one example. 1, 9, 3. 10. Okay. So here are the numbers 1, 9, 3 and 10. Now tell me which is the small number here. Yes, हमने जैसे सीखा था which has less quantity, it is the small number. So which is the small number here? This one, this or this? Yes, 1 is the small number. So here cut it and write down it first. Then after put this small comma. Because we can read the number individually. Okay. So then after we have to compare between 9, 3 and 10. उसके बाद इन तीन नंबर्स को हमें कंपेयर करना है. तो कौन सा नंबर स्मॉल है यहाँ पे? Yes, 3 has less quantity from these 3 numbers, है ना? तो इन 3 के पास इन तीनों नंबर में से less quantity होगी. So 3 is a small number. After that 9 and 10. So we have to compare between 9 and 10. So which is the small number here? 9. And at the last 10. So kids, the numbers are arranged in the ascending order. तो हम इसे भी बोल सकते हैं कि जैसे जैसे हम स्टेयर्स ऊपर चढ़ेंगे वैसे वैसे हम असेंडिंग ऑर्डर फॉलो करेंगे, है ना? जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर आएंगे वैसे वैसे हम असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज होते जाएंगे. सो दिस इज द रिवीजन ऑफ लास्ट वीडियो. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर न्यू टॉपिक, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. रिवीजन ऑफ डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. Okay, so first of all let's do some activity for that. Here I cut out some puppets, craft puppets cards. So here we have to arrange these puppets in the descending order. Look this, these are all are in the different length. ये सारे अलग अलग हाइट के puppets है ना? हमें इनको descending order में arrange करना है. How we arrange them in the descending order? Yes, big to small. डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में कैसे अरेंज करेंगे हम लोग? बिग नंबर और बिग टू स्मॉल अरेंज करेंगे उनको. तो मीन्स हमें सबसे पहले जो बिग हाइट वाला है उसे लेना है. सो which one is coming here first? This yellow colored puppet is coming first. So we have to take it and put it here. Okay, in this. Then after we have to find the bigger one. So which is the bigger from here? Yes, this blue colored puppet is bigger. So here we have to put it after these. Okay. Then after which one is coming? This one? No, this is the smaller than this orange puppet. So orange is bigger than blue. So we have to take orange puppet and put it after this. And then after last is this one. So here we can see the puppets are arranged in descending order, big to small. It means when we go stairs, जैसे जैसे नीचे जाते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे हम लोग डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज होते जाएंगे, है ना। जैसे जैसे हम नीचे जाते जाएंगे हम डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज होंगे, राइट। नाउ लेट्स डू अवर क्लास वर्क किड्स। ओके किड्स, बी रेडी विथ योर पेंसिल, इरेजर एंड नोटबुक। सो दिस इज योर मैथ्स नोटबुक। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट क्लास वर्क एंड डेट, देन आफ्टर यू हैव टू राइट हेडिंग रिवीजन ऑफ डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। आई होप अब आप लोग अपने आप से हेडिंग लिखना सीख गए होंगे। अगर नहीं सीखा है तो you should try your best. Revision of descending order. Now skip one line after this heading for good looking. Then after make a star in the margin line. Margin line में हम stars करेंगे। वैसे तो margin line में लिखे नहीं जाते हैं, मगर अगर टॉपिक को पॉइंट आउट करना है तो वो चीज़ हम यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं। So make a margin stars in the margin line and write the numbers with me. So first of all we write number 3. Kids, our number should touch the lower line. ये नीचे वाली जो लाइन है उसे टच करके ही हमें नंबर्स को लिखना है। After writing the number, put the comma because we have to read the numbers individually. 3, put the comma. Then after 7, after that 5, and at the last 9. Now here we have to find the which number? Yes, big number. Which number? Big number, because in the descending order we arrange the number big number to small number, right? Big number to small number. So here we find the big number first. So which is the big number here, kids? Yes, 9 is a big number because it has more quantity. So we have to cut 9 here and write down first. After that, put the comma and find the big number 3, 7 and 5. Which is the big number, kids? 7. 7 is a big number. So here we have to write after the 9. After that 3 and 5. Compare between 3 and 5. Which is the big number? 5. So here we have to write down 5 and at the last 3. Okay kids? So the numbers are arranged in descending order. Skip one line. Make a star in the margin line and write down next numbers. Here we have to write down 8, 11, 4, 10. Okay, the numbers are 8, 11, 4 and 10. So here we have to find the big number. So first see the two digit numbers. Here is 8 and 4 are one digit number and 11 and 10 are two digit number. So one digit number is always smaller than two digit number. So first of all we have to compare between 11 and 10. So which is the big number? Yes. See the tens place? Tens place are same. See the ones place? So this is the 0, so it is small. So here we have to write 11 first because 11 is the bigger number, right? Then after compare between 8, 4 and 10. but natural 10 is two-digit number, so it is bigger than 8 and 4. And then after 8 and 4, which is the big one? 8. So here we have to write down 8, and after that 4. Right, kids? So the numbers are arranged in descending order. After that, skip one more line. Make a star in the margin line, kids, and write down numbers 14, 19, 10, 20. Okay, 14, 19, 10 and 20. These are the numbers. Now here all numbers are two-digit numbers. So we have to find the biggest number first. So if you find the biggest number directly, then it is very good. But if you have some trouble, अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो जैसे हमने आपको बताया है, first we have to see the tens place. All tens place are same? No. This is the different. So 2 is bigger than 1. So biggest number is 20. After that 14, 19 and 10. So here 14. All the tens place are same. So look at the ones place. Ones place में 9 जो है वो बिग है. So वो पूरे numbers को कैसा कर देगा? Big कर देगा. After that we have to compare between 14 and 10. So which number will come? 14. And at the last 10. Okay, kids? And next, skip one line, make a star in the margin line and write down the numbers 17, 7, 15, 5. Okay, these are the numbers and you have to arrange this number by your own in your notebook. ये नंबर्स का आंसर मैं आपको ब्लैक बोर्ड पे नहीं लिखाऊंगी, आप अपने आप अपने नोटबुक में लिखोगे. ओके किड्स? नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ टू राइट इन द नोटबुक. ओके किड्स, दिस इज योर मैथ्स नोटबुक. As we show in the blackboard, here we have to write first classwork and date, right? And then after here we have to write heading, division of descending order. ठीक है, इस तरह से हम हेडिंग लिखेंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी स्कीप वन लाइन एंड राइट डाउन. One I do for you and then after you have to copy 3, 7, 5 and 9. The numbers are written on the blackboard. So we have to arrange them in the descending order. So we have to find first biggest number and then we arrange them in the descending order. How we arrange the numbers in a descending order, kids? Big to small. Okay, big to small में हम उनको arrange करेंगे. So this is your today's class work. You have to write down from the blackboard. Okay, and in the homework we have to do the same things. Homework and date, heading, descending order. बट यहाँ पे नंबर्स जो है वो आपके पेरेंट्स की हेल्प से आपको अलग अलग लिखने हैं. यू शुड राइट डिफरेंट नंबर फॉर द प्रैक्टिस, मोर प्रैक्टिस. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट वी डिड, व्हिच काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी वी डू. ओके किड्स, इन द डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर वी अरेंज द पपेट्स इन द बिग टू स्मॉल, राइट? और एंड व्हेन वी गो स्टेप्स आर कमिंग डाउन, जैसे ही स्टेयर्स नीचे नीचे आते जाएंगे द नंबर्स कैसे हो जाएंगे? स्मॉल होते जाएंगे, है ना? इसी तरह से हमें डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में नंबर्स को अरेंज करना है. आप पपेट के बदले कोई और चीज़ें भी ले सकते हो। आई होप आपको ये जो आज का जो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर का रिवीजन है वो समझ में आ गया होगा। नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट वी डू इन द क्लास वर्क एंड व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन आवर homework. Okay kids, so what we did in the class work, descending order in the notebook, and our homework is same as the class work, means आपको descending order ही arrange करके लिखना है, but numbers should be change. numbers जो है वो हमारे class work के नंबर से अलग लिखने हैं ताकि हम अच्छे से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस कर पाए. Okay kids, bye everyone.